Imagine this. It's 2 a.m. You hear a suspicious noise. Heart racing, you wonder, what now? With our smart home alarms, chaos turns to calm in seconds. These aren't just loud noises. They're instant alerts, rapid deterrents, and your personal shield against disaster. Whether you're home or away, rest easy knowing you're protected by technology that's always on guard. No more sleepless nights or worrying about your loved ones. Choose confidence, choose peace, and welcome a new era of home safety. Ready to turn fear into freedom? Take control today at EliteWarriorDefense.com.